Chicken. The name says it all. This isn't just any chicken dish. It's a culinary masterpiece designed to win hearts and create unforgettable moments. This dish is pure romance on a plate, perfect for a date night or a special occasion. It sets the mood with its rich flavors and elegant presentation. It's bursting with flavor, incredibly satisfying, and oh so easy to make. You don't need to be a professional chef to create this masterpiece. It's designed for home cooks of all levels. Whether you're hoping for a marriage proposal or just a delicious meal, this recipe is a guaranteed winner. It's the kind of dish that makes people fall in love, not just with the food, but with the person who made it. It's the kind of meal that creates memories and sparks joy. Whether you're sharing it with family, friends, or that special someone, it's bound to be a hit. So go ahead, grab your apron, and let's get cooking. With Marry Me Chicken, you're not just making dinner. You're creating an experience that will be remembered for years to come. Before we embark on this culinary adventure, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need a selection of fresh and flavorful items to make this dish truly special. Chicken breasts. Choose boneless, skinless chicken breasts for convenience. They cook quickly and evenly, making them perfect for a romantic dinner. Olive oil. A good glug for searing that chicken to perfection. Olive oil not only adds flavor, but also helps in achieving that beautiful golden brown crust. Seasoning, salt, pepper, and a pinch of paprika for a touch of warmth. These simple seasonings enhance the natural flavors of the chicken without overpowering them. Sun-dried tomatoes, packed in oil, they add a concentrated burst of sweetness. Their intense flavor complements the savory elements of the dish beautifully. Garlic. Because no love story is complete without a little garlic. Its aromatic presence elevates the dish, adding depth and complexity. Chicken broth, the base for our luscious sauce. It provides a savory foundation that ties all the ingredients together. Heavy cream, for that irresistible richness and velvety texture. It transforms the sauce into a creamy, luxurious delight. Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan, adds a salty, cheesy depth of flavor. It melts into the sauce, creating a harmonious blend of tastes. Fresh basil, a final flourish of green goodness. Its fresh, herbaceous notes brighten the dish and add a pop of color. Remember, fresh, high-quality ingredients are key to a truly memorable dish. They make all the difference in flavor and presentation. Opt for ripe tomatoes, fragrant garlic, and freshly grated Parmesan for the best flavor. These ingredients, when chosen with care, elevate your cooking to an art form. Now let's work our magic in the kitchen. 1. Season and sear the chicken. This is the foundation of our dish, so take your time to do it right. Season your chicken breasts generously with salt, pepper, and paprika. Make sure every inch is covered to ensure maximum flavor. Heat olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. The oil should be shimmering but not smoking. Sear the chicken for about 4 to 5 minutes per side until golden brown and cooked through. This step locks in the juices and creates a beautiful crust. Remove the chicken from the skillet and set aside. Let it rest. This will help the juices redistribute. 2. Develop the creamy sauce. This is where the magic happens. In the same skillet, add the chopped sun-dried tomatoes and minced garlic. The aroma will be irresistible. Cook for a minute or two until fragrant. This short cooking time ensures the garlic doesn't burn and the tomatoes release their flavors. Pour in the chicken broth, scraping up any browned bits from the bottom of the pan. These bits are packed with flavor and will enrich your sauce. Let it simmer for a few minutes to allow the flavors to meld. This step is crucial for a well-balanced sauce. 3. Embrace the creaminess. Reduce the heat to low and slowly pour in the heavy cream. This will add a luxurious texture to your sauce. Whisk continuously to create a smooth, velvety sauce. Make sure there are no lumps. Stir in the grated Parmesan cheese and let it melt into the sauce. This will add a rich, savory depth. 4. Reunite the chicken and sauce. This is where everything comes together. Return the seared chicken breasts to the skillet, nestling them into the creamy sauce. Make sure each piece is well coated. Simmer for another few minutes or until the chicken is heated through and the sauce has thickened slightly. This final simmer ensures the chicken absorbs all the flavors. 5. Serve with love. Transfer the chicken to a serving plate and spoon that gorgeous sauce generously over the top. Presentation is key, so take your time. Garnish with fresh basil leaves and a sprinkle of extra Parmesan cheese. This final touch adds a burst of color and freshness, making your dish not only delicious but also visually appealing. Section 4. Secrets to Success. Tips from Cupid's Kitchen. Here are a few tips to ensure you're Marry Me. Chicken is nothing short of spectacular. First, don't overcook the chicken. Overcooked chicken is dry and tough, so cook it just until it's cooked through but still juicy. Next, deglaze the pan. Scraping up those browned bits from the bottom of the pan adds incredible depth of flavor to the sauce. Then, taste and adjust. Before serving, taste the sauce and adjust the seasoning as needed. You can add more salt, pepper, or even a pinch of red pepper flakes for a touch of heat. Finally, serve immediately. This dish is best enjoyed immediately after cooking, when the sauce is at its creamiest. Section 5. Spicing up the romance, delicious variations to explore. Feeling adventurous? Try these variations to add your personal touch. For a spicy Marry Me chicken, add a pinch of red pepper flakes or a dash of hot sauce to the sauce for a fiery kick. For a mushroom Marry Me chicken, sauté sliced mushrooms with the garlic for an earthy depth of flavor. And for a spinach and artichoke Marry Me chicken, stir in some frozen spinach and chopped artichoke hearts for a creamy, cheesy twist. A dish to steal hearts, Marry Me. Chicken is more than just a recipe, it's an experience. It's a celebration of flavor, comfort, and the joy of sharing a delicious meal with someone special. Whether it's a romantic dinner for two or a cozy family meal, this dish is guaranteed to impress. So go ahead, give it a try, and witness the magic unfold in your own kitchen. You might even hear wedding bells. Thanks for watching. If you loved this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delicious meals, and leave a comment telling me how your chicken turned out. See you next time for more tasty creations.